When it comes to running shoes, not every pair is designed to be about speed. Some are built to protect, to cushion, to carry you through easy miles and long days with effortless comfort. The Hoka Bondi 9 is exactly that shoe. A daily companion engineered for plush cushioning, long-lasting support, and all-around versatility. At the core of the Bondi 9 is its Maximalist supercritical foam midsole. Redesigned with a new formulation, this high-stack cushioning doesn't just feel soft, it feels luxurious. Every step sinks into a plush platform that absorbs impact, smooths transitions, and keeps your legs feeling fresher, longer. Whether you're jogging through recovery miles, walking to work, or spending hours on your feet, this foam delivers the shock absorption you need. To complement the midsole, the 5mm heel-to-toe drop promotes a natural, balanced stance. It places your foot in a neutral position, reducing stress on the joints and encouraging a stable stride. Combined with wide sidewalls and a rigid heel cup, the Bondi 9 offers built-in stability without the need for posting or intrusive features. You get a secure, centered ride that feels protective yet never restrictive. Breathability is another highlight. The engineered mesh upper keeps airflow consistent, preventing overheating on longer efforts or during warm days. Around the ankle, a 3D molded collar gently hugs the foot, locking you in place without pressure points. It's the kind of fit you can lace up in the morning and forget about for the rest of the day. Comfort that lasts from mile 1 to mile 20, or from sunrise to evening. Underfoot, durability comes from the podular outsole design, reinforced with durabrasion rubber in key wear zones. It grips reliably on pavement and walking paths while extending the life of the shoe, making it as suitable for daily commutes and errands as it is for light training runs. But the Bondi 9 isn't just about features, it's about how it makes you feel. Slip it on after a long workout and it feels like recovery built into your shoes. Use it for an easy run, and it encourages a relaxed rhythm, smoothing out the road beneath you. Stand all day at work, and it turns hours on your feet into something manageable, even enjoyable. This isn't a racing shoe, and it isn't trying to be. Instead, the Bondi 9 excels where comfort, protection, and everyday usability are most important. It's the shoe for recovery runs, for walking with friends, for weekend errands, for professionals who spend all day standing, and for anyone who values maximum cushioning in every step. With the Hoka Bondi 9, you don't have to choose between performance and comfort. You get both, in one of the most cushioned, supportive, and versatile shoes on the market today.